right now do the Dollar Tree makeup. Let's see how that's about to work out. So the first thing I am going to do is start with my brows, but I have done my skincare, so my face is washed. I did tone, and then I did, of course, y'all, I've been talking about this Glow Up Dollar Tree, so I use that for the toner, and then I will use the serum and the moisturizer once I get ready to put on my foundation, so that way it'll be nice and moist and not dry, which it doesn't look dry, and that's because I did some toner. But let's start with these eyebrows. Alright, now my lips are a little dry, so I did pick up this lip gloss, so let's start there. Let's see what this working with. Filler is gonna go away. And then what I did forget, well, I didn't really forget it, but I did buy these here, and I'm about to try them and see while I'm I'm doing everything else. Let these sit for a few minutes. And hopefully it's going to hydrate my under eye. Still interesting. Let me see. Now they got the cooling is the green. And then the orange is brightening. So let's try this bright because we need a little bit of bright. Let's see how this gonna work. And y'all, if y'all tried any of these Dollar Tree products, let me know. Comment down below. Let me know what you tried so that way I can go ahead and try and see if my dollar store has it. I could try that too. But it's kind of hard getting open, but it does look a lot moist. I'm gonna stick these on my under eye. Let's see. I know sometimes they be so moist that they start sliding down, but these actually feel like they stand in place pretty good. Uh-oh. Let's see about this one. I tore it trying to get it out the package, but that might work. Now I'm gonna put this cream back, just to kind of give me a little bit more brightening and some hydration under eye. But not bad, it's staying put too. All right, and let's keep it moving. Now the concealer. No, I was just saying I would just go and clean up under eye. Now, let me see. I don't think any of those brushes will work for under eye, but that's fine because this should work just fine. Now, I don't go directly up under because, of course, it's a lot of product. Oh, that's gonna be bright. So I try and get not too close, but eventually get some of that product off of there. And then go closer. And you want that wing sharp. Cause honey. Now we see that. And of course I have got all of these sponges. They came 3 in a pack. But they got this tiny one. So I'm gonna use the tiny one just to kind of blend it. And be very careful around the line there. Boom. Nice. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do this other side. Alright, y'all. So we got both sides done. Now it's concealer. So I personally prefer to do my eyeshadow, and that's simply because sometimes it fall out and I don't want no fallout on my foundation, because then, you know. So we have the LA Color Nude. And then what I do like to do, so I'm going to go back with that concealer. I'm just going to put some on my lid so that my colors can stand out and be more pigmented. Just blend. said, I didn't pick up brushes, but these are a little thicker, but they should come in handy, especially this one. Let's see. Come on. That's a little bit more. Let's try this one. Yeah, that might blend a lot better. And then basically we're just blending, but of course it's DollarTree, so you gotta take your time. And it's gonna still be nice because it's all about technique. So I wanna make this end just a tad bit darker. Now they're starting to glide down. So we'll make that dark. So far, I don't see anything falling out, so that's pretty good. And the color is popping up, so that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and blend because we don't want nothing harsh. Which that concealer looking a little. Let it be okay. So you just really want to blend the harshness. We might need to go in there with a lighter transition color, but we'll do that in a little bit. Just try and blend this as much as we can. It looks good for me. And not sure how I'm feeling today. Do I want to do some bright? Do I not? You know, let's try. Now, none of these colors are speaking to me right now, but I did go ahead and buy this one, and I like this pink here. So let's see what that's looking like. And then I think for that, I'm just gonna use my finger. Let's see. Ooh, you can see. Nice. Sometimes we be sleeping on the cheaper products, y'all. But when you a budgetista and you like basically bougie on the budget, you figure out different ways to still look good. And that is cute. Now I'm gonna try this, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner because I think that is gonna be cute. I'm glad I did pick this one up.